Tired of juggling leads, marketing campaigns, and customer interactions with a million different tools? Let's dive into Cinc CRM and see how it can revolutionize the way you manage your business, boost customer engagement, and skyrocket sales. First, let's explore lead management. Cinc's lead management system is like having a super organized digital assistant. You can capture leads from various sources, your website, social media, or even manually add them, then easily categorize and track each lead's progress through your sales funnel. Use filters to find specific leads, add detailed notes after each interaction, and assign tasks to your team to ensure no lead falls through the cracks. Next up is marketing automation. Cinc helps you automate repetitive tasks like sending follow-up emails, scheduling social media posts, and segmenting your audience for targeted campaigns. This frees up your time to focus on building relationships and closing deals. Create personalized email campaigns with beautiful templates, schedule them to send at the perfect time, and track the results to see what's working. And finally, let's talk about customer engagement. Cinc keeps all your customer interactions in one place, making it easy to stay connected and provide exceptional service. Log calls, send personalized text messages, and track email conversations all within the CRM. Having a 360-degree view of each customer allows you to personalize your communication and build stronger relationships, leading to increased loyalty and repeat business. Cinc CRM offers a powerful suite of tools to simplify your operations, enhance customer relationships, and drive sales growth. Explore Cinc CRM today and unlock your business's full potential.